Hello friends, welcome back to another lecture number 4 of electrostatics. तो लास्ट लेक्चर में मैंने नल पॉइंट पूरा क्लियर कर दिया था, नल पॉइंट और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी, या विथ नो डाउट. सो फर्दर एनी टाइम वेस्ट, आज हम पढ़ेंगे इक्विलिब्रियम कॉन्सेप्ट. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, आज ध्यान से सुनिए एंड राइट डाउन द नोट्स. ओके, कम ऑन. यहाँ एक assume now let's take a q charge here, okay, and a q charge here, identical charges, okay, and दोनों क्या होंगे? of course repel, fine. तो equilibrium नाम से पता चल रहा होगा, you can understand that what is equilibrium concept. To make this charge, I mean to make this position, this charger should be at rest, okay. Equilibrium, nothing but equilibrium, rest, okay. ये दोनों चार्जेस रेस्ट में रहना चाहिए, कंपलसरी. सो क्या करना पड़ेगा? assume a positive charge here, opposite to this charge here, so this attracts here. So what happens? It is actually due to this charge repel हो रहा है यहाँ, and due to this charge यहाँ attract भी हो रहा है. So this ये रेस्ट में होगा, तब this charge will be at rest because due to repulsion and attracts you. Like this, it just moves over there, here and here, nothing but rest. Okay, तो फॉर्मूला डिराइव करेंगे. एफ क्यू क्यू यानी फोर्स बिटवीन दिस टू चार्जेस, ओके, डिस्टेंस आ रही है, ओके, एंड फोर्स बिटवीन दिस टू चार्जेस, एंड हियर डिस्टेंस बिकम्स r by 2, okay, r by 2 r. Then finally एफ क्यू is equal to minus of f small q into capital Q, because opposite direction, due to opposite direction, this force towards this force, it is opposite to this, okay, because it is here, right and left. And finally derive the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square by r square, 1 by 4 pi minus of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into q by r by 2 whole square. And finally then q we are going to get minus q by 4, okay. This is for two charges. Q is equal to minus q by 4, okay, clear. And now for three charges like triangle, okay, q q q. Now what happens here? This due to this यहाँ repel होगा, due to this यहाँ repel, same concept. This is equilateral triangle, right? Then theta is 60, here also theta is 60. But at force, I mean what will the force? F1 root 3f, okay, I've said you in first lecture, okay, first or second, I don't remember. And theta is 60. Then same concept, f12 with respect to fqqq. तो अभी just think, अब मैं कहाँ चार्ज एक एज्यूम करूँ तो ये इक्विलिब्रियम में रहेगा ये सिस्टम. वेयर शुड आई एज्यूम द चार्ज? ऑफ कोर्स हियर, ओके, एट सेंटर. सो दिस चार्ज repels here, but due to this it attracts here. So here at this moment this charge is in rest, okay, it moves like this, got it? So nothing but in equilibrium, the system is now in equilibrium, okay. Then derive the formula minus of fqqq by the same process as this, okay, by the same process of this, sorry, yeah, over here this. Now do the same, and finally you are going to get q is equal to minus of q by root 3, okay. Just remember the formula and derivation आपको आ जाएगा, okay. Next, okay, now for square, fine, come on, square लीजिए, q q q q, okay. And now we can see all the forces due to this charge, and due to this charge it moves here, okay, and due to this charge it moves here, and due to this charge it moves at here, okay, at here. So where the charge should be kept, okay, कहाँ चार्ज लगाएंगे? then this system will be in equilibrium. Come on, of course यहाँ because यहाँ attract होगा और यहाँ repulsion भी हो रहा है. So this is now in rest. Okay, and okay, fine. And so FQQ is equal to F3 plus F with respect to 1 2. मैंने सेकंड लेक्चर में बोला था at forces. Okay, force at this charge. Okay, मैंने बोला था. Then it's equal to minus FQ. Same process as I have dealt with you in two charges. This one. Finally then what will be the Q? Minus Q by 4 into 1 plus 2 root 2. Okay, this is the answer. Fine, for 4 charges. और so यहाँ से हम पूरा क्लियर कर देते हैं. What equilibrium concept is clear now. Now let's move. हाँ देखिए अभी ये दूसरा कॉन्सेप्ट है. देखिए अभी सपोज यहाँ एक प्लस चार्ज. ओके, पूरे प्लस चार्जेस लीजिए एंड यहाँ हियर माइनस. ओके, minus charge. Okay, and assume a q charge here. What happens? It moves here. Electric field will be at this direction. Okay, now note down the points here. Positive charge moves along the direction of field, electric field. Positive charge moves along the direction of field, but negative charge moves along the direction along the opposite direction of field. Okay, opposite direction of field. Negative charge. Okay, difference समझ में आया? Between positive and negative. Positive moves along, negative opposite to the electric field direction. Okay, now from this how can we find acceleration? Okay, acceleration पूछते questions में. What is the acceleration if charge, electric field and mass is given? So what is kinematical first equation? V is equal to u plus at. Okay, from this we can derive acceleration. Okay, and here u is 0. Okay, then v is equal to at. Now what will be the acceleration? What is the formula? Force F is equal to ma, and also F is equal to eq. Okay, at first lecture I've said you F is equal to eq. Now what? Equate both. F is ma is equal to eq. From this what is a? Eq by m. Okay, finally substitute this in this equation. Then what is v? Eq by m into t. Okay, this is the v, velocity. With what is the speed of electric field? That charge is moving from positive to negative. Sorry, the velocity of charge. The formula is this. Okay, velocity. Fine. Next, then what will be the distance? Same formula. S is equal to ut plus half ut square से निकालिए. Then S is going to get half eq by m into t square. This is distance. Okay, observe करिए अच्छे से. Now finally we are going to move on. Now next topic. Suppose there are this is a negatively charged body and here is a positively charged body. Now take a charge q. Okay, now what happens? This charge mg, force acts along downwards, and q is attracting to negative charge, that is eq, force acting along q to this negative charge body, and mg is acting downwards. Wait, so then I said you positively charge moves along the direction of field. So then like this, then mg is equal to eq. Okay, this is the one more formula for like this one case. Okay, like this, similar to this. Now next, if vertically, come on, then do this. Okay, remember this formula, mg is equal to eq and distance is this one, and velocity is formula of velocity is this one. Now next one is, now listen this, if okay, like this, a bar or tension, okay, sorry, a string is attached here, positively, here a positively charged body is there. Okay, here mg acts along downwards, tension T here, and electric field positive, what I said just now, yeah, positively charged moves along the direction of field, बोला था ना मैंने. देन टेंशन क्या होगा यहाँ, एम जी माइनस ई क्यू. ओके क्लियर, टेंशन यहाँ एम जी माइनस ई क्यू ही होगा ना, बट टेंशन इज नथिंग बट एम जी. ओके, एम जी डैश मान लीजिए, एम जी माइनस ई क्यू. ओके, this is the one more formula for tension for positively charged body kept in a string with charge with some mass m. Okay, and what will be the gravity, g dash is equal to g minus eq by m. Okay, understood. And also फर्स्ट ईयर में पढ़ा था शायद, then what will be the time period, 2 pi root of L by G minus EQ by M. This is the time period. Okay, remember these formulas, G and also tension, mg, gravity, and also time period. Okay, here T is the time period. Okay, that was the first case. अब सेकंड केस देखिए. सेकंड केस में यहाँ मैं ले रहा हूँ नेगेटिवली चार्ज बॉडी, टेंशन एक्टिंग अपवर्ड्स, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड okay here downwards, okay, opposite direction, and eq is also acting downwards, mg is also acting downwards. Then what will be the T, tension mg plus eq. okay, got it, टेंशन दिस वन. तो फिर टाइम पीरियड भी क्या होगा, ओके, टेंशन एम जी प्लस ई क्यू है तो आप ये निकाल सकते हैं ना, ग्रेविटी व्हाट विल बी द ग्रेविटी, जी डैश जी प्लस ई क्यू बाई एम. ओके, गॉट इट. देन सेम टाइम पीरियड में बस प्लस माइनस का डिफरेंस होगा, जी प्लस ई क्यू बाई एम आएगा. फर्स्ट केस में ई क्यू माइनस आया था, यहाँ ई क्यू प्लस आएगा. ओके, गॉट इट, क्लियर. ओके, अभी कुछ दूसरा सीखेंगे. अभी वही सेम, सपोज फॉर एन एग्जांपल, यहाँ एक स्ट्रिंग है, हियर इज अ पॉजिटिवली चार्ज बॉडी. ओके, विथ एम जी सेम वही. नाउ if a uniform electric field is acting towards this bob with string with charge q, positive charge q, this is initial diagram. Finally what will be like this, right? I said you positively charged body moves along the electric field, then finally it is like this. तो ये यहाँ होगा q and mg, I'll draw together. Okay, q, okay, initially and finally. Okay, now listen properly. अपवर्ड्स क्या एक्ट होगा, टेंशन यहाँ, बट यहाँ टी कॉस थीटा. ओके, एंड ड्यू टू दिस साइड टेंशन इट एक्ट्स हियर टी साइन थीटा. ओके, and here mg, and here with the direction of electric field eq. Okay, got it, mg and eq. Then now what is t sin theta, that is equal to eq, and what is t cos theta, that is equal to mg. First equation, divide first and second. What we are going to get, tan theta is equal to eq by mg. Yeah, divide the first and second equation. क्या होगा, tan theta is equal to eq by mg. मिला अपने को ये फॉर्मूला. आप देखिए, ये फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड इक्वेशन को स्क्वायर करके ऐड कीजिए. ओके, बोथ साइड स्क्वेयरिंग एंड एडिंग, देन फाइनली क्या मिलेगा, टी इज इक्वल टू, आप कर लीजिए, सिंपल ही है ना, मैं डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला लिख दे रहा हूँ, ई क्यू स्क्वायर प्लस एम जी स्क्वायर, मिल गया, टेंशन मिल गया। सेम ऐसे डायग्राम क्वेश्चन में ऐसे ही पूछा जाएगा, electric field is applied, then what will be the tension, वही सेम प्रोसेस। ओके, लेट्स एंड दिस लेक्चर, एंड नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम पढ़ेंगे इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल्स। ओके, वो स्टार्ट करेंगे। ओके, बाय, ऑल द बेस्ट।